So ganit pinamat don magkabna siya ya the man of the match award tanda jamin so borong ato ni kitim mohaban snap ya man of the match. So I request both the teams to listen for the announcement of the man of the match. So man of the match goes to Hills United FC, jersey number 7, Vincent Romsey. Man of the match award goes to.
Hello, welcome to this. The match was between Hills United versus Klimuli Youth Club from the Longstoin. Klimuli Youth Club from Longstoin. Our chief guest of today was MAC Mr. Abhijit Kuro from West Karbi district. So we, as the organizers, we thank the both team. Actually, there was one winner, one loser, but we thank them both for participating in this tournament. Actually, today it was the first game, and the game it was fantastic. They fought hard, both the team fought well at the end. But Hills United won the match. So thank you from the organization side. We thank the Hills United and Mr. Ajit Pro and his team from bringing this Hills United all the way from Karbi. From the association side, we thank you so much. We will be working together in the future, especially in sports, so that we can unite together from Assam and Meghalaya. So from my side, as president and chairman of this tournament, I thank you. I thank you, media, also for publishing this tournament. So I thank this media from Karbi. Thank you so much. Thank you.